Mullen Automotive, you guys, 66 cents now at the time of this video. It's down another 16% on the day here. And we see this happening to Mullen. We talked about it yesterday. You know, Mullen did all these things. They did the reverse split. They've been putting out good news as far as PR goes and things like that direct from their website. I mean, look at some of these tweets they put out today. It's finally here. The Mullen 2023 Strikingly Different EV Tour kicks off this Sunday in Austin, Texas. Last few slots available. Book now to experience the Mullen's EV on tour. And then also they put out this tweet: Mullen 3 production progress happening every day. And you can see here, I mean, they are essentially moving forward with this process, especially on this plant here in Tunica, Mississippi. And yeah, I mean, these workers have the Mullen Automotive shirts on, so it should go to show you here that there are some good news, right? There is production, there is movement happening here. You can see here this tweet here replying to this image specifically: only way people will care is if you pump us to $15. Went from 56 million shares to 168 million. Stop diluting in retail investors. David Mickery. You just did a 25-1 to reverse split in May 23. You did another reverse split in August 2023. And I mean, it's really crazy that you can see some of this stuff kind of actually happening, right? You can see, let's see, like someone's replying: this is not production, it is assembly at best. Also get out of your pajamas for the next photo shoot. I don't know who's in their pajamas specifically for this video, but nonetheless, there is so much bearish and bullish outlook and bearish and bullish sentiment in regards to Mullen Automotive. And a stock like Mullen Automotive, I think, warrants that, just given kind of what is going on and what's been happening with this specific stock here. Trading volume still in the top, what is it, 20, number 13, the most heavily traded stock on the market today. We're looking at around 60 million trades here of Mullen Automotive, which again is not what we're used to seeing for Mullen, like average trading volume 266 million. But let's just get into this. I wanted to get into just a few things here, just some information. I do make videos on Mullen specifically. Let me know in the comments below how you guys continue to feel about Mullen. Like, how are you guys feeling right now about Mullen Automotive? But let's get right into it. So I wanted to share this FX Street article here. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about FX. I think FX Street is a very solid news outlet, and I definitely think they put out good content. But with any sort of content regarding stocks, crypto, finance, you have to take with a grain of salt and make sure you guys are doing your own research before just blindly listening to anyone's advice, including this YouTube video. So Mullen stock must maintain a share price above $1 for 10 consecutive days by September 5th. Mullen announced on Thursday that it began repurchasing Mullen shares on Wednesday. I believe Wednesday, like August 16th, that was announced. Mullen has already purchased 3.6 million worth of shares out of its $25 million mandate. And closing Thursday at 79 cents, Mullen stock needs to rise 26.6% to reach the $1 threshold to remain on the NASDAQ. And this article came out, and so essentially this article came out, it was at 79 cents, and now we can see Mullen here trading at 66 cents, which is absolutely not ideal at all, in my opinion, you guys. Just absolutely horrendous here for Mullen to be down this low, and right, the dilution of these shares that David Mickery here has done. Now he's putting his money where his mouth is, essentially, and buying back 102,000 shares for an average price of 98 cents on Wednesday. And now it's down around 33 cents from when David Mickery, in fact, bought back those shares, 102,000 shares to be specific. So just taking a look at this here, obviously if a company fails to meet the minimum bid price compliance is generally achieved by the requirement of a minimum 10 consecutive business days. Since the market is closed on September 4th for Labor Day, this means that the Mullen stock must maintain a share price above $1 for every session between August 22nd and September 5th. After that, it's up to the NASDAQ's discretion. NASDAQ staff can take into account how far above the $1 threshold the shares trade at, average trade values, and trend direction. Again, Mullen board gave leadership $25 million to spend on buybacks through the end of the year, so Mullen should have about $21.4 million left to continue repurchasing. Expect Mullen stock to move higher toward $1 over the next few sessions as management makes a last-ditch effort to retain its NASDAQ listing. Now, that is something interesting as well, right? Because if people understand and know that Mullen Automotive needs to get back to that $1 threshold, and it's at 66 cents now, I can see people maybe trying to load up on, hope that management does whatever they need to do to get back to $1 range. Obviously, I don't think there's going to be a reverse split here coming up anytime soon, just given where the reverse split literally just happened like 6 days ago. And it's like crazy because it's like, if you take a look at the chart, right? We'll take a look at this chart, and I think it should show, even included the split. So before the split, Mullen was trading at 12 cents. After the split, it goes to $1.08, and now it's at 66 cents. So what a crazy just run. I mean, I think people even now, right? That I mean, you've actually lost money, right? Because the price here was here, the reverse split happens, the value stays relatively the same, and now you're down even more. So it's like, essentially, before the split, if Mullen was trading still at $12, it'd be close to like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe around 6, 7 cents right now, given just the decrease in percentage of the price. But it's just crazy what's going on here. I've been talking about Mullen for a while now on the channel, and I've definitely been reiterating that I'm not purchasing Mullen. I don't have a position in Mullen, and I'm not recommending anyone even think about purchasing Mullen or getting a position in Mullen at this current time here. You can see this Investor Place article, more of a bearish sentiment here in general, right? Since November 2021, Mullen stock has declined from a split adjusted 3,363 per share to just under $1 per share today. More than just under $1. It's actually at 66 cents. This represents a price decline of 99.97%. Mullen Hunt $1,000 Mullen invested in Mullen less than 2 years ago would be worth around 30 cents today, you guys. 30 cents. And I think this PR, to me, again, in my opinion, is not great PR. Like, this is just posting this image and, read the room, another EV tour again, half the vehicles aren't available, Mullen news tweet coming soon. It's almost like when Mullen stock is down like this and having days on the market, they put out kind of BS PR, guys. Let's be real here. Like, this is not great PR. This is not getting Mullen holders excited about anything, right? So again, this is not financial advice, just my thoughts and opinions here on Mullen, MULN. Drop a like on this video, you guys. Hit that subscribe button. As always, have a great day.